Hello guys, we are back with another video of Roblox Studios. Wait a minute. Okay, we're back and we're gonna catch this BN train. I already hearing. There it comes. I got lucky to get this locomotive. There she is. Oh my god, that horn is so loud. Whoa. Wow. Nope. Okay, we got a train here, and this horn is actually creeping me out right now. It's a BNSF code D. There he comes. This horn is creeping me out. There he is. Wow. That horn is creepy. Dude, that is a followed K5LLA. It's a followed horn. There it goes. We got another train coming. It was Roblox Outrock. Actually, oh my god, it's a Roblox train. Whoa. Bro, that's cool, bro. Jerry, that's a brilliant idea, putting the Roblox train in here. Jeez. This is beautiful model. There he goes. Here comes the Union Pacific train. It's a new PL truck. There he comes. 6711. And there's 15. There goes 15. Actually, CSX 15 was in the third trailing unit, so actually nice catching that 15 locomotive. There it goes. Okay, he's going up the crossing. Here, guys, we got the NS military train. There it goes. The military train. The horns are so loud, so I actually put my volume a little bit off. Sorry about that. Look at that. Beautiful. There it goes. That was a military one. Conrail leading. Another Union Pacific train. Intermodal. There he is. With CSX and a Canadian Pacific. There he goes. I think it was this train that my friend railfan early in his video that he said a Union Pacific Intermodal came to RS, and I watched that video though. There comes the oil train passing. There he comes. There he comes. There he is. It's a Santa Fe fake bonnet. Santa Fe fake bonnet. There he goes. There he goes. There goes a BNSF on the back. This is a call A, and that horn is actually beautiful. Listen. That's the greatest horn show. Hear it again. There he is. With a Ferromax locomotive. Jeez. With a Ferromax one. Oh, there's another SD70 trailing. There it goes. Another one is coming. Here it comes. Ow! God damn it, I got hit by that. Okay, there it comes. Oh, there it is. It's a grain train. There it goes. There's the grain cars. Bye-bye, grain train. Bye-bye. Where I'm back, and here comes the CP oil cans. Oil cans. There it comes. It's a Canadian Pacific. What's coming from that way, though? Yeah, it's coming. There he is. There it goes. And there it goes. Look at the clickety clack sound effect. There it goes. Goodbye, guys. That was the last train we should rail fan. I'm gonna end here.